Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
There is a special kind of magic in growing your own food. It is the magic of watching a tiny seed sprout into a vibrant plant, of nurturing it with water and with sun, and of finally tasting the delicious fruits of your labor. It is a connection to the earth, to the seasons, and to the very source of our nourishment. For many of us, the idea of a garden can feel a little intimidating. We imagine hours of backbreaking work, of battling pests, and of wrestling with weeds. We worry that we don't have a green thumb, or that we don't have the time and the energy to maintain a large plot of land. But what if I told you that there are some foods that are so easy to grow, so resilient, and so generous that they practically grow themselves? What if you could have a beautiful, productive garden with a minimal amount of effort? In this video, we are going to introduce you to 5 of our favorite almost foolproof foods that are perfect for the beginner gardener, the busy gardener, or the senior gardener who wants all the joy of a harvest without all the heavy lifting. Get ready to discover the incredible abundance that is waiting for you, right outside your own back door. Our first super simple food is the humble and mighty zucchini. If you have ever known someone with a zucchini patch, you know that by midsummer, they are practically begging people to take their surplus produce off their hands. Zucchini is the gift that keeps on giving. It is incredibly prolific, and it is very easy to grow. Simply plant a few seeds in a sunny spot in your garden after the last frost. Give them some rich soil and consistent water, and then stand back. The large, beautiful plants will reward you with a seemingly endless supply of delicious, versatile squash. You can grill it, you can roast it, you can spiralize it into noodles, you can bake it into bread. The possibilities are endless. And a single plant can produce 6 to 10 pounds of zucchini over the course of the season. That's a lot of food for a very small amount of effort. Next up, we have the cheerful and the prolific cherry tomato. While large heirloom tomatoes can sometimes be a bit fussy, cherry tomatoes are the easygoing, low-maintenance members of the tomato family. They are less prone to disease, and they will produce a steady supply of sweet, juicy fruit all summer long. You can grow them in a traditional garden bed, but they also do wonderfully in a large pot on a sunny patio or a balcony, making them a perfect choice for small space gardeners. Simply choose a sunny spot, provide them with a cage or a trellis to climb on, and water them consistently. You will be rewarded with handfuls of delicious sun-ripened tomatoes that are perfect for salads, for snacking, or for roasting with a little bit of olive oil and garlic. There is nothing quite like the taste of a tomato that has been warmed by the sun and picked fresh from the vine. Our third practically grows itself food is the lovely and the leafy Swiss chard. This beautiful vegetable is a true workhorse in the garden. It is a cut-and-come-again green, which means that you can harvest the outer leaves, and the plant will continue to produce new leaves from the center, giving you a continuous harvest for months on end. It is also incredibly resilient. It can tolerate both heat and cold, and it is less prone to bolting, going to seed, than spinach. Swiss chard is also stunningly beautiful, with its vibrant jewel-toned stems in shades of red, of yellow, and of pink. It's a vegetable that is as beautiful as it is delicious. You can sauté it with garlic, you can add it to soups and to stews, or you can use the large, tender leaves as a wrap for other delicious fillings. It is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and with minerals. Number 4 on our list is the fragrant and the flavorful world of herbs. If you are new to gardening, herbs are the perfect place to start. They are incredibly easy to grow, they take up very little space, and they will elevate your cooking from ordinary to extraordinary. Many herbs like mint, oregano, and thyme are hardy perennials, which means that they will come back year after year with very little effort on your part. They are also wonderful for container gardening. A few pots of fresh herbs on your windowsill or your patio can provide you with a summer's worth of fresh, delicious flavor. And the simple act of stepping outside to snip a few sprigs of basil for your pasta sauce or a little bit of rosemary for your roasted chicken is a profound and a beautiful pleasure. Fresh herbs are a simple luxury that everyone can afford. Finally, we have the humble and the hearty potato. There is something deeply satisfying about digging for potatoes. It's like a treasure hunt. You never know quite what you are going to find. And potatoes are surprisingly easy to grow. You can plant them in a traditional garden bed, but one of the easiest and most popular methods is to grow them in a potato bag or a large container. You simply start with a few inches of soil at the bottom of the bag. You place your seed potatoes on top, and then you continue to add more soil as the potato plants grow. This is called hilling, and it encourages the plant to produce more potatoes. At the end of the season, you simply tip the bag over, and you have a beautiful harvest of fresh, delicious potatoes, with no digging required. It's a fun, easy, and incredibly rewarding way to grow your own food. Gardening does not have to be complicated or overwhelming. By choosing the right plants, you can create a beautiful and a productive garden that will nourish your body and your soul, with a minimal amount of effort. These 5 foods, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, Swiss chard, herbs, and potatoes, are just the beginning. They are your gateway to the joyful and the delicious world of growing your own food. So, get your hands in the dirt, plant a seed, and get ready to taste the magic.